Hey guys, welcome to my Power Hour Clean with me. As a mama of 5, I'm super busy and it's really difficult to keep on top of my housework, but I will show you how I do it. Thank you to Ruggable for sponsoring this video. I know some of you out there are like, what the heck is a power hour? Well, a power hour is the hour I take and hustle and put my phone down and dedicate to cleaning and tidying up my home every single school day morning after school drop off. This is go time. This is the time when I clean up after all the breakfast mess. I sanitize the countertops. I take all the dishes out of the dishwasher. I make sure my sink is nice and clean. I get any other chores done in regards to cleaning around the house. Laundry, anything like that is done within an hour. And you're probably thinking like an hour, that's not enough time to do what I need to do. Trust me, it is. If you dedicate an hour solely to hustling and getting it done every single day, you would be amazed at the amount of stuff that you can get done. Can you guys see my new black silverware? I am obsessed. I just love the way it looks in my kitchen. If you need to switch up your silverware and add a little flavor to your kitchen, I will put the link below. I got it from Amazon. I know some of you are probably over there like, still girl, an hour is not enough time. But I promise you, if you just keep up with this, do this every single day and use certain techniques to make sure that you clean up after yourself after every meal or every activity, it really does help to stay on top of the housework. Teaching your kids to clean up after themselves and having them do specific chores to help the household really does help to maintain the mess and contain everything so that you can just go in and do your power hour and get everything else done. Cleaning is not one of my top favorite activities to do, but I have found certain things that really help motivate me to clean. Like, I don't like cleaning when a bunch of kids are running around driving me crazy. I'm just gonna be honest, I like cleaning in peace. I'll listen to a little bit of music. Sometimes I will watch a YouTube video, but not in my power hour because that definitely gets distracting. But there also are certain cleaning products that I really enjoy. Anything that has scents, because I'm totally a scents person. I shop at Grove Collaboratives and there is a wide variety of natural, yummy smelling products from Mrs. Meyer's and Method. I love all the products on there and it was really exciting to get them in the mail. Not only do I shop for my own home, but I also give them as gifts as well. I give like the holiday scents sets to my neighbors and to my mom and my stepmom and my grandma every single year. They just love it. And if you order from there and you're a first-time customer, they give you a free no plastic set or a free Mrs. Meyer's scent set of your choice. So go ahead and check out the link below and I will be sure to put my favorites so you can try them out. Wiping down my counters at the end of a cleaning session in my kitchen is probably like my favorite part because I know the end is in sight. I've gotten pretty good at my time management in my kitchen. It usually takes me about 20 minutes max. Even if I have pots and pans left over from the night before, I usually am able to tackle it in either 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. The other parts of the downstairs are really a breeze because I make sure that my kiddos put all of their toys from the day into a basket and take it upstairs either before they go to bed or before they go to school. So literally it's just tidying up, maybe fluffing the cushions, getting some crumbs off of them, doing a quick vacuum, and that brings me to my amazing rug by Ruggable. I have like 5 of them. So thank you so much to Ruggable for sponsoring this video. The rug you see here is actually our very first Ruggable and it was the first item we ever brought into our new home. I was so excited to have my very first Ruggable rug that I had it delivered to the new home and it was sitting outside on my patio for like a week before we even arrived. Ruggable rugs are super unique. They're unlike any other rug. They are machine washable, spill and stain resistant, non-slip, safe for babies and pets, and they have interchangeable designs. They are a patent rug system that comes in 2 pieces. There's a lightweight rug cover and a non-slip rug pad. They are lightweight, washable, just wash it on cold and then tumble dry on low, and it comes out perfectly new every single time. I really do love the vibrant colors. They have such a variety of really cute designs. I've got quite a collection going. I got this ombre rainbow one for my girls' room. I'm going to be doing a room makeover soon, and I'm so excited. It's going to be adorable. I was really excited to find something with like such vibrant colors and is really playful for their room. So definitely stay tuned for that if you want to see their room makeover. And because I get so many compliments, I've actually ordered a few more for my friends. I just gave one to my really good friend for her birthday. And Ruggable was kind enough to give me a discount code for you all. I will list it down below in the description box. Thank you so much to Ruggable for sponsoring today's video. All right, I'm about 40 minutes deep in this power hour, and I've got to get going because I'm running out of time. I only dedicate an hour to hustling and trying to get my cleaning done in the morning because Mama's got lots to do today, lots of things on my to-do list. But first, before I can get anything done in my office in regards to work, I really need to tidy my area. I was up late editing videos, and I've got a lot of bills and things I need to pay this morning, so I need to make sure that my space is nice and clear so it's easy for me to get things done and be a little bit more productive when I have a cleaner space. Later in the week, I have a project that I'm going to be doing on this back wall right here. I'm going to be doing a freestanding, huge, long desk to fit all 5 of our kiddos here. We really need a homework space, and I want to get rid of the table in the middle of the floor. So I'll definitely do a video on that and show you how it turned out. Just like every other family, laundry is something that is always rotating in my household. I do have a certain system that I plan on sharing with you guys soon. It is a basket system that really holds each child accountable and responsible for their own laundry. I do wash, I do dry, I do fold, but they have certain areas where they put all of their things so it stays organized, and they actually put it in their room themselves. So let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in that, and I'll do a video on how we manage our laundry and the system that we use. If you have a lot of kids like me, I know laundry can be really daunting, but you just really gotta stay on top of it because it just really clouds the mind and makes you anxious and stressed when you have a big pile of laundry always staring at you. Trust me, I'm not perfect. It happens to me too, but every day I try to do a load and I really try to stay on top of it. All right, I have a quick question for you all. Do you guys do your husband or your partner's laundry? I get a lot of people asking me why I do my husband's laundry, and it's just always been that way. I do it for him, and I also do it for my kids, but they do help me put it away. So I'm curious, what do you guys do in your home? Do you do your partner's laundry or no? But thank you guys so much for watching this power hour. I hope you gave you a little bit of motivation and to make sure you get some tasks, some cleaning tasks done first thing in the morning so that you can focus on other things throughout the day. Please subscribe. I would love to have you, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.